Welcome! Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So you should go into the settings application and scroll all the way down. And here, as can you see, we got the developer options. When the developer options activated on your device, you got this section, the last one. But if they just turn it off, the last section here will be the about phone section. So just to hide your developer options, tap there and just tap here once on the switcher to turn them off. And now if we'll go back, we'll see that these options with this section with the developer options is gone. So that's it, that's how to hide developer options on our Samsung Galaxy, and thank you guys for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.